In 2018, RadNet Imaging and Memorial Care formed a joint venture for outpatient imaging services in Orange County. This joint venture comprises of over 30 outpatient radiology centers. The new name for this joint venture is Wave Imaging. Most recently, they added Orange County Diagnostics, or OCD, Laguna Woods to their family of centers. The new name for the Laguna Woods location right down the street is now called Wave Imaging Laguna Woods. Today I have Dr. Gary Levine, Medical Director of Memorial Care Breast Centers, and Dr. Syed Shahrokni, Medical Director of Interventional Radiology of Wave Imaging of Laguna Woods. Well, welcome. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
But before we get started on that, let's talk a little bit about your backgrounds and kind of how you ended up where you are here. Dr. Shahrokni, tell me about your background.
I've been a medical director of Orange County Diagnostics for the past 15 years. I was actually the founder of the company.
Okay.
And it's an imaging company that had 4 locations in Orange County and in Long Beach, doing full range of radiology services. And recently, as of December, we've joined the RadNet Memorial Care family.
Okay.
And now I am the medical director of radiology services in Orange County and director of interventional radiology.
Okay, and that's approximately how many centers?
Approximately 40 imaging centers throughout Orange
40
County.
imaging centers. Okay, great. And how about you?
So Gary Levine, Medical Director of the Memorial Care Breast Centers. It's Orange County and Long Beach, so a little bit of South LA County. I'm a breast radiologist by training, 27 years. Former president of the National Consortium of Breast Centers, large organization, and again, responsible for breast care throughout the memorial care system.
Okay, great. Well, thank you for the information. All right, let's start with you, Dr. Shahrokni. Can you tell me a little bit about the purchase of Orange County Diagnostics and how it all works with RadNet and Memorial Care?
Yes, so through the collaboration between Memorial Care and RadNet and the purchase of Orange County Diagnostics, as I mentioned, we have access to 40 imaging centers, fully integrated, and that has resulted in significantly improved access for patients, improved availability of data to the radiologists and to the clinicians for improved overall care.
Okay, great. And so what does it mean for the imaging itself? So are you providing the same type of imaging in each location?
Because of the collaboration, we have access to very high quality breast imaging performed at Memorial Care. So that aspect of our business has been moved over to Memorial Care Breast Centers.
Okay.
But the general radiology services remain at the facilities that were at before.
Okay. And will there be transportation that would be provided for our community to the imaging centers in the area?
The transportation already exists to our Laguna Woods location,
Okay.
and that's not going to change.
That won't change. Okay, fantastic. So tell me a little about how the collaboration works with your centers.
So as a multi-specialty team of breast care clinicians, we meet weekly on Thursday mornings. We develop a agreed upon treatment plan for all newly diagnosed patients, so they get the benefit of many perspectives and the perspective of many subspecialists in order to develop this treatment plan that's then put in place for that patient.
So if someone has already come to you and has had a mammogram, or they had a mammogram at another Orange County center, how would they get those images to you guys?
So if it's an Orange County Diagnostics or RadNet location, those images are immediately available to us through computer integration.
Okay.
If it's an outside facility, not Orange County Diagnostics or RadNet, we can go ahead and access those images digitally and obtain them, because in breast care, changes from prior mammograms is very important, so we will always want to assess that interval change.
Okay, great. And then how has the joining of the two leaders with healthcare, RadNet and Memorial Care, created an advantage for the Laguna Woods residents? I mean, beyond what, the imaging and obviously collaboration together, where you just mentioned talking and getting together about their care. Is there something beyond that?
Yeah, it's really about access for patients. They have a multitude of choices for access, not just for general imaging, like Dr. Shahrokni was speaking about, but also for subspecialized breast care. We want to make access for screening mammography as easy as possible. Screening mammograms are still the gold standard for early diagnosis of breast cancer, and early detection is really the key to surviving breast cancer. We want to be able to find cancer very early when it can't be felt on a clinical exam. Treat the patient. We know that those patients do extremely well with limited surgery and have an excellent prognosis.
And then what happens if someone is diagnosed here and then they have to be sent to another state? How would they acquire those images?
If it's another RadNet location, they will have access immediately. However, if it's a non-RadNet location, either they can take the studies with them on a CD, or we can usually FedEx it to them, and usually within 24 to 48 hours, the full study and reports will be available to them.
Okay, great. And then where is the location near here?
Our Laguna Woods location at 24301 Paseo de Valencia.
Okay, and then the breast center is?
Memorial Care Breast Center at Saddleback is located on Health Center Drive on the campus of Saddleback Medical Center.
Perfect. All right. Well, thank you both. I really appreciate the information.
Thank you.
Transportation is still provided for Laguna Woods residents by taking the East Bus to reach the medical center on Paseo de Valencia. And you can also use Plan a Ride, which is available from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. or 5 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. weekends and holidays. For more information, call 949-597-4659 or email them at ride@vmsinc.org. Thank you for joining us.